we are gonna do the cavitation on her. So what you're gonna hear with the cavitation machine, you're gonna hear a ringing in your ear. You don't have a whole lot of fat, but I do understand you want to get rid of the little bit of pooch that you have. So you're gonna hear the ringing in your ear, and what the ringing is it's going down into the skin, and it's stimulating. Well, it's actually bursting the fat cells. So when you hear it get louder, it's actually bursting the fat cells, and it's going to liquefy, and then you pass it through your lymphatic system, which would include your urine. You're going to poop, and and your sweat. So that's why you want to, at least work out 30 minutes, like for 3 days a week. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in. And I like to start at a low strength because I want to get your body acclimated to it. But it's just gonna be like a massage. So you can just relax and
I feel like I'm pregnant.
Oh, with the thing, the ultrasound.
Yeah.
But do you feel like, is it heating or cold?
she's gonna feel a heat up in a minute.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's still kind of cold right now.
Yeah,
Okay, yeah, take a little
it
while,
takes a
right.
second for it to.
Yeah, because we just turned it on. What am I thinking? I'm thinking it was on the whole time.
And so what you want to do is you want to bring everything to her lymphatic system, which is going to be down this way.
Your tattoos are nice.
Yeah, they are very nice. I just got one. I thought I did something.
Yeah, I only have one. Nowhere near as big as either one of you guys. It's just small.
Oh, you can't show that. Go big or stay home,
No,
right?
yeah. I was in pain. I was like, I took like 3 or 4 breaks.
You gotta do the
I
numbing.
couldn't stand. They numbed me, and I still couldn't stand it. I was
I've
like,
never been numb.
I bought the numbing cream.
they numbed me real good, and I was, I was like, no,
So
thank
wait a
you.
minute. Where I hear the higher frequency, that's where more fat is. Get the front door out of here. Stop playing with me.
And then you're gonna have to urinate. And then like when you on your way down that road, you're gonna have to urinate.
I hope my waist drops at least by 3 inches.
It is. It's not gonna be 3 right away, but it's gonna drop today. For sure.
And how many
That's
sessions
amazing.
of this?
So it depends on how much your body fat is. So basically, for someone your size, I could get you really like 4 sessions. I can have you,
At least down by 4 inches?
Yeah.
In 4 sessions?
Yeah. But if you're heavier or you're a thicker girl like me, then you're gonna need like I actually had to do 12 sessions on myself to get my stomach down, and I can show you like my before and after pictures. But age, diet, kids,
Exercise.
Stress
and
other
all
shit,
of those things. So for someone like me to get my stomach to where it is now, I had to do 12 sessions on myself. But I could do your body in 4, and you'll be very happy with your results.
So clients like Adrian are a lot more easier to work with, only because of either lifestyle changes, what she eats, how she takes care of her lifestyle.
Yeah, and then she just wants to she just needs a couple of little nips, like
tightness. Yeah.
she's not, a heavier person like myself. Like I said, I required to get my body together to where it is now. I had to do 12 sessions on myself. So I had a belly.
Yeah, me too. I need this. I need to. I forgot. And I know I need to work out though. You know what I mean? Like I know my problems, and so
Exactly.
I'm happy. I love my body. I don't give a damn about getting naked and all that good stuff. Some people do. You know, even if they have a in shape body. Massage school, there are people who have 6 packs or 8 packs. Like, you are ashamed of this?
Can you lay
But
him
oh,
down?
I'm so sorry. Yep. But
Look at him. Look at him.
oh, come on in.
Look at him.
I'm so sorry. Hey, oh, I locked it. Jesus.
You see him? Because he down.
Oh, oh. Hey, come on in.